Hello everyone, welcome to the second episode of Swamp Life. I'm Aaron Berquist, the lead production creator for the Red Swamp, and on today's episode we're going to be talking about Ground Collision, with the release of our second game demo, Revenge of the Cube. In this sequel to Block Rampage, the giant cube returns to continue its invasion on the vertex-colored polys, this time taking it to the hills in the cube's pursuit of vertical domination. The focus of this week's demo was to implement ground collision. I wanted the player cube to be able to move smoothly along the ground, with little to no hit on the engine's performance. To do this, I decided to raise the player up to the level of the landscape from a base ground height. To measure how far the player needs to rise, no matter where you're standing, I came up with the idea of using a grayscale topology map. To create this grayscale image, we first projected a black and white gradient across the landscape. We then took a picture of the land from a top-down view and made it the same size as our 3D model. This aligns the player with the topology map, allowing each pixel to represent how far to raise the player. And it all comes together as our new game demo, Revenge of the Cube. Well, that's it for this episode of Swamp Life. Stay tuned next week, where I'll be talking about some of the issues and problems that were caused by the grayscale topology method.